Hello guys, it's Cubus here, and today we're gonna spring swap these two cubes. So this is a Moyu Weilong GTS 2M, and this is an MF3RS 2M that I've just unboxed. So let's get this started. So first, let's remove these center caps. The green one, okay. Here we go, and let's open this up. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 6. This is pretty tight right now, by the way. Okay, so let's get this started. First, I'm going to take one screw from this cube. No, yeah, here we go. So here's the screw and the spring. So now let's do the same thing with the GTS2. Yeah, here we go. So the screw and this. So the screw is gonna stay the same. So just like this, and put it right back in. And not drop the screw, and put it back in. Okay, I'm going to tighten it and tension it later. So that was the white side. Wow, first try. Now let's do it with green. So just gonna do the same thing. So that was it. Let's check it out how these cubes turn now. Oh, that screw isn't in there quite. Oh, it should be ready. So yeah. Yeah, it feels a little bit more stable. What about this? Wow. Whoa. It feels really strange. I can't really describe it. Definitely it's too tight right now, so I'm definitely gonna have to loosen that. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely this is much better. Let's put the caps back on and see how this cube turns. Like that. There's the blue side and the white side and the green side. Let's see how this cube turns. Definitely very fast. Yeah, actually I really like this. I don't think it's gonna become my main, but it's pretty good either way. I'm definitely not gonna use this cube though. It's just really unstable. Look at this. Look at this. I do one algorithm and it looks like this. So I'm really happy that I have my MF3RS 2M. So yeah, that was it for this video. actually. So I hope you liked it. If you did, you could hit the like button to show me that you liked it, and if you really liked it, then you could even subscribe to the channel to not miss any of my new videos. But that's it for me now, so bye, see you next time, and of course have a nice day.